Hi, my name is Polly. I'm currently working as a data scientist at Glovo, and I was born in China, grew up in Vancouver, and I come from a tech background. I will be teaching data science master here at Nuclio Digital School. So I started as an electrical engineering. That's what I studied in university, because at that time, actually data scientist was not, data science in general was not so popular. But actually over the past few years, there's a hype around here. So everything eventually converged to data. What drove me to the data science is now that everything is data. So when you think about it, basically anywhere you go, we're collecting data, we're using data. When you search for a restaurant, you go on Yelp, you're looking at all the comments. So in your head, you're already using data to decide whether you go to the restaurant or not. So I think it's very interesting to see how data can guide our decision. My day-to-day in Glovo would be split in 3 different parts. The first one would be talking with the PM, the stakeholders. It's when I receive a request. So I need to get information to see what do I need, study the previous analysis, work closely with data analysts, and then it derives to the second part. I need to decide whether there's data science involved or no, whether there's a model needed, because sometimes you can just do it with a simple automation. And the last part would be once the model is done, we design A/B testing with PM and also with data analysts and do some post-analysis. The differential value of the program I see is that students can see what's really happening in the real world, in the real industry. There are 2 practical points here. One is there's no waste classes, so they will never need to take some class that you will never use. And the second point would be there will be hands-on the real cases. So in school, you always get perfect data, but that's not the case in the real world. So the message to the students, 10 years ago, telecom was a golden train. Now it's the data world. So get the passport to the future.